Well, is it filming?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? So we're back out at Grove Wood. We are now our regular bash session. Harry Powell has joined us today as well with his Notorious. We'll get some time in, see how many cars we can break this week, because this is becoming a bit of a graveyard, isn't it, for us? Normally going home with a few broken cars, but so we've got the Notorious, we've got the Pro line, got the Kraton EXB back out. I've done a diff fix. Hopefully it's going to hold. We'll find out. If not, the V4 will be out again. Okay. What do you say, guys?
Like, subscribe.
Turn it into a crawler.
I think my diffs are gone now. I don't have any diff oil left in there.
Then you have to go over the dish, won't you? Yeah. Get into it. Oh, that's the good jump. Oh, it's a backflip. You ready? What, if you broke my reinforcement of the body? I think you landed it. It's not clicking. Sadly, I think the motor on the EXB is gone, making some clicking noises. Looked at it, I have to check it out, but it locks up if I do that, so really annoying. Runs fine backwards, it runs fine, and then it will lock. I can't see anything wrong with it, but there you go. Whether the bearing's gone on the motor or not, I don't know, but the dish look okay. It's just the motor, I think, this time. Really annoying, so I have to get the V4 out. Standing my ground, so if you're gonna fight me for my heart, are you gonna get these battle scars? Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to get. Are you gonna fight me for my heart? Are you gonna get these battle scars? What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe, so we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah, gotta play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. Ready?
I'ma tell you what I
Go.
do. Run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart.
I'm recording, aren't I?
Yep.
You sure? Am I recording?
I'm pretty sure you are, yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Oh.
Did you not land that?
Nope.
Battery gone. Oh, oops. So the Kraton V4 is man down now as well. Just do a quick repair on that. Looks like we've broken a shock rod end. So on goes the RPM one. These stock ones just don't last very long. So we're getting RPM one on there and we'll be back up and running. So field repair number 1. Well, actually, it's probably field repair number 4 or 5, because the Grove Park wood is taking its toll on our cars again. So now the Typhon's out. The
nothing wrong with the Pro line. I just want to.
Nothing wrong with the Pro line. Just fancy a change. This is better to jump. The Pro line's a bit heavy. You don't get great air control on the Pro line. So we're switching over to the Typhon. The granite's back out, as I said, because unfortunately the Notty done another switch on a new ESC. Getting a bit frustrated with some of it now. It is what it is. Granite going for a send. Bit of grass. You're going ghillie. Ghillie suit. I'll keep missing. Keep going. I'm all right. Got it. Battery. Is it videoing? Is it? Yeah. Did you? That's not a big send. Is that your big send? Super fast launch track. Launch track 2. I don't know what it does with the 6S. Super fast launch track. It's like an aircraft carrying. It's like an aircraft going off. What's Jack doing now? Are you laying in your bed, Jack? He's getting his bed ready. He's staying here the night. Not sure what he's doing. Haven't tried this jump yet, have we? Oh, it's like Harry's a man down. Grove Wood takes another victim.
Oh no. She's gone. She's out.
He's gone.
Another few days.
Yep.